We got Cody back out.
What's up, guys? I guess guys and gals, right?
There's 2 or 3 girls that watch too.
Hell yeah.
Sometimes these jumps don't look very big on camera. That is one downfall.
Yeah, this is definitely a booter jump, man. You're gonna go sky high.
We're gonna build a few jumps, and we're gonna do some riding. Cody did switch up his channel, so Cody Gray now.
Yeah, just simplified it. I had a hard time. I was trying to think of a good name for my channel.
And a smart move. I mean, there's other Gray's Garages, and you get too technical, and you should start trademarking your name. And you know, when you're just trying to have fun, kind of just keep her simple. So we're gonna shovel up a few more, then we'll catch back up with you. Immediately, I'm looking on the camera. I'm like, wow, this doesn't look very big. But now this is the jump that I hit a couple years back. We made her a little bit longer this year. Landing's pretty much right there at the end. So we got 2 jumps built now. Probably build another 3rd one somewhere. We got a lot of options, honestly.
Kyle just tipped over. It's a pretty nice landing, isn't it?
Very nice.
When I came up to the face of that, I'm going, wow, it's a lot more aggressive than I thought it was.
Literally went past my eyebrow. I was like, wow, am I going too fast at this thing?
Yeah, and then you landed, she's like, whoof. I think it's time to maybe break in that jump.
I think it might be that time.
Heck yeah. Well, you want to try this one first? Or you want me to hit it first?
I'll try her. I'll try her.
Don't be afraid to just slowly bunny hop that first one, get a good fast one up the ramp.
Yeah.
Not too bad for his first one. He's coming back around. See if he'll give it a little bit more pepper. Damn near perfect. That was pretty good. One more, he says. Hell yeah.
Really smooth. You know, you gotta hit her a little faster than you think. The last time I like intentionally tried to hit it faster, I still landed right on the landing. It was smooth, don't get me wrong, but like right on the landing.
Heck yeah, everybody's having fun today, even the neighbors.
Everyone's out.
Yeah, it's an awesome day when it's snowing. It's always an awesome day when it's snowing.
Absolutely.
So you gotta love this weather in Minnesota.
I still, like, this is like this liner and this is too much still today. It's like, whoof.
Yeah.
Gotta take this dang thing out, just run just the shell. Today's the funnest stuff. This is what I love doing. Pretty soon we'll be doing backflips.
Yeah. Maybe in your dreams.
I already did that in the dreams, yeah. Yeah. Dreams come true sometimes though.
Yeah, that's true. That'd
Probably
be
not
pretty...
the backflip dream.
I would definitely try it in a foam
I
pit.
shoved in there, head down, I'd be like, ah!
No, this is awesome, man. Couldn't ask for a better day.
That jump just looks smooth. It's not height by any means, but she just looks smooth. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
Smooth jump, ain't it?
Yeah, it's really nice. It'll be really cool once everything's hard and packed down.
It'll just get bigger and bigger too. The end of the year should be a 150 footer.
Yeah.
The camera doesn't pick it up, but she's easily 120 feet right now.
Oh, no doubt.
Yeah, not a doubt.
I think I'm gonna be taking this out this summer.
Oh boy, grass dragon?
No. We'll do some water skipping with it this summer. Yeah.
You're doing it alone. I ain't taking my baby out there. She ain't going out there.
It'd be so much.
Have you done it before?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah. Just like straight line stuff, nothing.
Now what do you have to do to get this ready for watercross? I
You
mean,
need to pull the suspension up. So I'll make some stiff, like solid bars. Take the shocks off, pull the suspension up, bolt it in.
okay.
It's stiff and then it's solid. I still have steering, but you basically want the skis to float, and then you want shorter skis too. So I'll have to get some shorter skis.
That makes sense. Kind of keep the front end from scooping up putting you over the damn handlebars, huh?
Yeah, because if your ski digs in, it really throws you sideways. So we'll do at least a couple little water skips, even if they are straight across or something.
Oof. Yeah, I
He's
don't.
like, I don't know.
I don't like to. No, I know. I ain't in there. As a oof.
I'll have to do some exploring around here. I'll have to take everybody out and get some video footage of it.
I thought that these lenses were going to be like orange as well, like you'd see through them orange, but they're not. They're tinted.
They're like just like a black.
Yeah, they're just tinted. All right, just got back from getting a burger and fries. Good day of riding?
Yeah, excellent day riding.
I really have been looking forward to shaping up some new jumps here.
Yeah.
Like Cody was saying, we might be able to make a little track here, might be able to find a little circuit that we could rip around, and that'd be a lot of fun, even if it's only 5 laps a time that you can get in. Well, we got to get Tommy jumping too. That's going to be a whole video in itself.
Yeah, we got to get the kitty cat out here versus the 2 IQRs. I think these IQRs will eat that cat. I definitely want to line up and do some hard pack drag races.
That's what we need to do. Yeah, because that's where that thing is gonna. That's where it'll excel.
Yeah.
Is right off the line. That's
shots. Yep.
Yep.
I know. Like I've had a cat, and the cats they got different drivers. So the drivers are geared down, and then I think they have lower gearing too in the chain case. So
okay,
it's a different combination than the Polaris one.
His Arctic Cat would just snap off the line. Mine has a little bit more top end. That's where I was catching Tommy.
Well, and Tommy's is fuel injected too, so it's going to be crisp. It should run crisp all the time.
You can just hear it crisp. Yeah, it's crisp. It's a decent sled. We're gonna send Cody on his way here. Go check out his channel, Cody Gray. Now, just the beginning here. Still, I mean, you start really calculating it down in winter. I mean, it's gonna be March.
Yeah.
That's not good to think about, is it?
Well, I mean, the fact that we've been able to ride this much already this year is amazing. So
yeah, that's true.
I'm sucking up every little bit of it, and I'm hoping that we get dumped on another. It'd be sweet to have another 2 feet of snow on top.
I'm thinking we're gonna get a few more good storms here. It's been too good not to give us a few more good storms. She was running good though, huh?
Yeah, we ran 100 low lead in it. We've been running that. It's not much difference from 91 pump gas, but it does seem to run just nice and crisp off of that. So, and I'm figuring out the jetting too. I'm just playing around with the jetting and figuring out these 40 millimeter rack carbs. So
what are you at for jetting right now? I know a lot of people ask about that.
So I'm running pretty much the same setup, a 420 main, and I changed the pilot to a 45 pilot just because the weather's pretty warm. If I notice when it gets colder, if it starts hesitating off the bottom end, I'll put 50 pilot back in. But then I got to change the starter jet. These 40 millimeter carbs have a starter jet. It's a 145. If you have your fuel screws turned all the way in and it's still idling low, go to a 140. And I ordered a set of those, so we're gonna put those in. And then the needle is still on the number 2 clip from the top, so didn't change much. And then I went from G to F on the timing box, so that's the only difference. So I could basically put 91 back in here, click it to G, and run all day just fine. So
now, weird thing is, I was kind of looking into what it would take to run race gas on this. I had a question because Cody kind of looked in and said you could just change your timing and your jets, and that's all you really should need. Is that really going to give me any power?
110 will give you more power, yeah.
It will.
It'll definitely run a lot better too, because that sled's set up to run 110. So
what do you think, guys? Should we swap her back to 110 like she's supposed to be? Give her the life she's meant to live? Delicious smells all over the place? Yeah. Would you ever swap that back to 110, or is it just too big of a pain in the butt for you?
If my pocketbook was big enough, I would I would swap it to 110. And it only takes me like 10 minutes to swap jets. It's really easy. I got it down to a science. So
well, and you kind of want to look into this carb a little bit. You want to see if they mess with springs and why that throttle pull. He's getting a little, he's anxious.
Right. No, it's awesome to dig into sleds and figure out what other people's magic are, because hey, it's like they say, if you can't beat them, join them. So
right. Well, and a professional race team, I mean, that'd be pretty cool to just see what the heck they left behind.
Right. Yeah, heck yeah.
What do you guys think? Should I swap her back to 110? With that said, guys, I do appreciate all the support you're showing on the channel. So we're building this channel. I ain't going nowhere. So subscribe to it. Keep her tuned for the next one.